Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and in our today's video we are going to learn the making of these beautiful jars at home, and this can be gift on this Christmas to your loved ones. So let's start the video. But before we start the video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the new video notifications. Kindly press on the bell icon and press on all notifications. So let's start. Here I had a plain glass jar and I had already pasted some texture paste on it, and it is start now. For the recipe of texture paste, please kindly check the iCard, and I had here the various recipes of the texture paste, that how that can be made at home. And if you are not easy with the homemade texture paste, you can also use market based texture paste. And here I am going to use my homemade flexible clay. For the recipe of flexible clay, kindly click on the card and you will be transferred to the recipe of flexible clay. And here I am going to use my handmade molds. So I had prepared a beautiful frame to paste on this jar, and I had made 3 to 4 of these frames and applied them on the jar using the school glue. Now I will cover the lid, as well as we have also to cover the uncovered area of this glass jar with the lace mold. So our process is quite simple. We have just to make the frames and just apply them onto the lid and on the overall jar to decor it beautifully. So it doesn't matter if you don't have some molds, so you can also use some laces for the purpose of making molds with hot glue gun. Simply use a lace and paste some Vaseline on it, and then turn on the hot glue gun and make hot glue gun molds. And you can then simply have to wait to let it dry. When that will be dry, your mold will be ready. And here I had approximately done with the processing of pasting this lace molds or comes. And when these are covered from the lower and the upper portion, then we will paint it. You can choose the color of your choice. I will paint it firstly with black acrylic color. If you want to use homemade acrylic colors, then go for the recipe of homemade acrylic colors. Just click on the iCard and you will be transferred to the recipe of homemade acrylic colors, which I had already uploaded on the channel. If the outline of this mold is break, don't worry about that. Just paste it as it is. It doesn't matter. So over here I had painted it using black acrylic color. Then I will wait to let it dry. When it is dried, I will paint it using some browns, and I want to give it some chocolatey color. That's why I had pasted after the black some brown color. I hope my camera could capture the color of this chocolate color which I had made using these two colors. And later I will enhance the beauty of these frames using some metallic colors like bronze, gold and silver. This is up to you that which color you want to use. If you like my work, please comment in the comment section to support me and like this video. Also let me know your opinion about my work, and if you want to ask any question, just ask in the comment sections. Thanks for watching. Your love, your support is the most important thing for me. And if you want to learn anything, let me know. I will make a tutorial for you. Thanks for watching.